Alright, fam, listen up. So Mauro Tandori just dropped some freshish deets on the Mini 5 Pro. But heads up, it's from the wild, wild web, so take it with a grain of salt. Still, it's got some heat and some, what? Vibes. First off, the big elephant in the room, the weight. Word is this bad boy might hit 256 grams. Yeah, 256. That means it loses its holy grail status of being under 250 grams, which was a huge flex for no registration hassle. But wait, DJI might play it smart. 2 battery options. Standard battery keeps it under 249 grams. Stealth mode on plus battery. Gives you mad flight time but pushes it over 250 grams. So, more power but maybe more paperwork. Classic trade-off. Speaking of battery life, here's the juicy part. Rumor has it, the Mini 5 Pro could fly up to 53 minutes in lab conditions. That's insane. The Mini 4 Pro max at 45 with the Plus. So this is a serious upgrade. Real-world 4K flight. About 45 minutes. Solid flex for creators who hate rushing. But hold up, there's a weird claim of just 5 minutes battery life under. Crazy FCC stress test. Don't freak, that's probably some freaky extreme case nobody's gonna face in real life. Now transmission range. DJI supposedly rocking OcuSync 04 Plus, pushing it to 25 kilometers. That's said to be 108% farther than the Mini 4 Pro. But wait, math check. 108% farther than 20 kilometers is like 41 kilometers, not 25. So, someone got hyped with numbers. But still, 25 kilometers is plenty. Unless you're flying crosstown, you good. Last but not least, interference. DJI's adding Wi-Fi 6 support, 802.1ax, cutting packet loss by 62%. Translation: smoother video feeds, less glitch, and way better signal in crowded spots. If you've ever flown near a city and lost your feed, this is huge dot. So yeah, that's the scoop before the rumored August 2025 drop. Now I gotta ask, would you still cop the Mini 5 Pro if it crosses the 250 grams line? Or nah? Hit me up and catch you next time. Peace out.